Today, we're diving into the world of culinary innovation with the infrared heating air fryer toaster oven. A 10-in-1 combo that transforms your cooking experience with its cutting-edge infrared heating and true convection air fry technology, ensuring your meals are perfectly crispy on the outside while staying tender and juicy inside. This versatile appliance offers 10 preset digital functions, including air fry, toast, bake, broil, and more, allowing you to effortlessly prepare a wide variety of dishes. With a 30% to 60% larger capacity than most on the market, you can easily roast a 5 to 6 pound chicken, toast 6 slices of bread, or bake a 12-inch pizza, making it perfect for family gatherings or meal prepping. The air fry feature is a healthier alternative to traditional frying, reducing fat by up to 75% while delivering crispy and golden results every time. Powered by 1750 watts and 6 heating elements, this oven cooks 40% faster than traditional ovens, reducing preheating time by up to 30%, so you spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your delicious creations. With its user-friendly digital display and analog controls, along with accessories like an enamel baking tray and air fryer basket, the VAL CUCINA air fryer toaster oven is an essential addition to any kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.